All right, this is introductory lecture for Science 1120, Physical Science 2. All right, this meets the goal area 3 for a lab-based course. So, this course will be entirely online. This is the class. All the lectures are posted. Online. I do have a book that used to go with the class called Physical Science Historical Approach, which is currently out of print. I'm working on a second edition. However, so what we're going to have, there'll be approximately a number of lectures for this class. We're going to cover meteorology, weather, heat and energy a bit, electricity and magnetism, and a little bit on light and sound waves. And that's the basic, and then some basic chemistry, depending on how much time we have. So, all right, so we're going to have, there'll be approximately 15 labs. And again, I'll update this over the week. It's the first time I actually taught this class entirely online. So the entire class will be online, including labs, videos. There'll be approximately 10 videos. Now for the labs, what I'll be doing is doing the lab as a video, and then have a handout posted, and you'll submit the answers to it as a quiz. There'll be that. There'll be 4 exams. Lowest dropped. And then a final exam. All right, I will have some review quizzes possibly. I'll see what I post as far as that's concerned. More than likely, I won't be able to have time to do that. So there'll be some view questions as far as that. I am on campus quite a bit as far as that. So everything will be a link, including the videos. There will be a link to the video online, usually YouTube or some other point. The first 2 are called Absolute Zero and Minnesota Blizzards. So again, everything will be submitted as a quiz for this class for this semester. There'll be handouts posted, video links and such, but everything will be submitted as a quiz. One thing is to keep in mind are the due dates for assignments, when they open and close. Usually everything's open for at least a week, sometimes 2 weeks. The exams are open for like 3 or 4 days. And I'll talk more details about that prior to each test. So that's the class to begin with. I will have it updated later this week. Again, this is January 12th. 2021, so bear with me as I get things going. I should have everything up, but we do have the first couple quizzes. I'll get the first lab going beginning of next week, and I'll probably have 1 lab a week that we'll be doing over the course semester. So that's it for today. Check with me if you have any questions.